Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but guess what? I've been super tired. I've been chilling. Yeah, let's just say I've been chilling. So right now I'm heading on the road and I'm in a bag of dressing up thing. See me here, my hairline is damaged, like really damaged. I'm gonna just pull it out and I'm up on the road right now. I'm still wondering if I should do my hair or if I should not do my hair. I don't know if I should do my hair or not, guys, because my hairline is so damaged that I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just cream it out and leave it or braid it back or put on a wig, and then it's the wig that I had on. Yeah, it damaged all of my thing, yeah. Make it look awful. But for the persons that know me, y'all know that I have long hair. Y'all know that I have very nice hair. But I just bun it, so can't bother with that. Anyways, guys, we're gonna do a story time, short and spicy story time. So, I'm gonna tell you about, cause I don't know my story, them on the tip of my tongue. So, I'm gonna really write them down and be like, oh, today I'm gonna do this story or today I'm gonna do that story. But just come out and give them a story time, them big and chang and raw and long. Yeah, I don't know the thing go. So I walk down the road in the hot sun. I'm gonna decide to give them a story time until I get a taxi. Anyways, for the persons that have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. The name of my YouTube channel is The Official, for the persons that don't already know. It's The Official. What the brass? What? Can you call me name? Don't call me real name. Anyways, guys, I don't know this man from nowhere. This man come call up my name. That's why, you know, say name necklace is not a good idea sometimes. You hear? It's not a good idea. Anyways, so I'm going to tell you the story. What up, I'm going to tell you the story of how I found out I was pregnant with my first daughter. I'm tell you what happened when I find out somebody pregnant. I'm going to tell you how I find out somebody pregnant. So it's like me did. I find out somebody pregnant. I try to remember, guys, because honestly I don't remember how I find out somebody pregnant, you know. But it's like me did the home one day and I never feel so 100. I never feel so hot, yeah? Never feel so good. So one of my friend them know they come over my house. So she come over my house and me and her over there, we are chatting and sitting now, we are going. So it's like me, I said to her, I said, girl, I don't feel good, man. I don't know what to do, but I just don't feel so good. So it's like she said to me, say, then breathe, yo. Hey, going to the joke, you know, story come to bum, I remember now exactly how it goes. So it's like, I tell her, I said, no man, I'm not pregnant, but one guy know we used to live overseas, him did live at Fort Lauderdale. He still lives in Fort Lauderdale. But this guy used to send me money like every week. Sometimes I get money 2-3 times a week, depending on how it go. So he used to send money a lot. So it's like, what happened now is the guy, I always send money come give me. And the guy now finally decides say him did want to come Jamaica come see me. So I don't know how it go when you really like you have a boyfriend at foreign, but you have your boyfriend at Jamaica and your boyfriend at Jamaica are the one we actually love. So you know say the one that they are foreign, you just take things from him and you never really intend for it really go nowhere. So people only know say I have the man at foreign and I have my man at Jamaica, but my man at Jamaica, my man me do my things them with, and my man at Jamaica did nobody want to foreign because I know say somebody send money come give me now and then. But me and the person I don't know coming, another person I never meet the person yet. People only know say my boyfriend And me, always I do it thing, but I was I do it thing wrong. So it's like the man now did for come meet me in Jamaica. So it's like the week before him come now, me did tell one of my friend. One tall skinny girl, I don't really remember her name because a whole heap of friend me go through. Whole heap. Some freak me over. Some freak me over and some not freak me over. Lord, when I know what happened to this took a while and it stopped. But anyways, people, what me I say is right, yeah. So I have my friend and I link my friend and I said to her, I say, yo mama, come with me, you got nigger now, cause a nigger guy did come. Remember I know, me don't know nothing about nigger, me never got nigger yet, me never know nothing about nigger and them something there. Cause you know me did young them time, they just a turn big woman and so. Yeah, when girl just ready to get at and so girl breathe. It never feel good. Cause you don't know stay. Everybody, you know me, I get all of them want my life for road and experience things and sitting. I saw a big breed papa, me never know. So anyways, I got some boom now. And I got some boom now, I'm going to see me boyfriend of the foreign link me and tell me say I'm going to come down. Says like the week before him come down, I link the girl. So I show the girl the vibes and I say, yo mama is like, my man of the foreign, me rate my man. Because he never mind me so. But you know at that time I never really take him as my man, I take him as my little friend. But him think him as my man, but my man in Jamaica now, I did love him because he me a sex, so I don't know where the thing go. Push come to shove, Jesus, lick me neck back and come back Renaissance something. What do you know say? The man for come Jamaica now and me link my friend already and show my friend the vibes because I don't know when I go out with one man who the two really like. When I go always call one of the friend and tell the friend say, yo, when you come over there with me or more you follow me go to the store or more you may go up at the bar here because I go take something for that man here, but if the man want to get too personal or whatever, you go do it for kind of Lord God. And the funny thing is, you know, the man always I watch me some them. So I know say I go see this, but no feel now, just say it go. Because me and him are still friends and him watch the whole of my video them, him support me. When they come on to my YouTube and them talk them, I always watch my vlog them and something. So big up yourself, same way you're a good youth. And if you want to take this to heart of your business, anyways, it's like the man now did come from foreign, but deep down in my heart, me never know say me pregnant. That's the truth. I never know say me a breed. So it's like the man come from foreign, but me did link my friend and me did tell my friends say, what happened? You go on now? Me did link my friend and me did tell my friends say, me forgot a nigga with the man, but me never want to go by myself. I should come with me or something. So it's like, me and my friend did go hot up. Anika, she did name, yeah. Anika. So me and Anika go hot up and nice up, nails and nice up, hair and do everything. All one man and half evil. But me I tell Anika, say, girl, man I feel good. Me don't know why I feel so. So it's like, you know, when me and Anika reach a Mandeville now or something, it's like, me did a Mandeville I wait upon her car. Now me start getting nervous because me I say, Lord God, the girl now go come. But the truth is, she come. It's just that she did come late. But you know, so like, you know, you tell her, say a man vibe or whatever. The fact that she takes her like for come, make you just feel like she never go come then at all. So deep down know me feel like she never go come. So it's like, me I wait upon her. So me I say, probably I true, we wake up early in the morning. Make me feel so, I feel faintish. Me feel dizzy, me feel like more and blackout. So it's like when she come now and so, me and her did it. And good body. Did go buy a patty, I think she did go buy a patty. I don't know, so when I eat patty early in the morning, I don't drink no tea and them something. You know, you can respect your stomach and it make you feel like you want to vomit. You will give you vomit spell. So people don't know, say, me and Anika did it and me eat the patty and we sit down in the bus and when the bus full and the bus ready for leave out, we go in a bus. But the funny thing is, I see them time there, the bus them never did a run from Mandeville, go straight to Negril. The bus them, what we did have to do is we'd have to go Mandeville, and then we take a bus from Mandeville and go Westmoreland. Yeah, I think we took a bus from Mandeville and carry go Westmoreland, and we took a bus from Westmoreland and then we go in a Negril. That we did do. So it's like when we take the first bus, the guy did meet we at Negril, in a Negril, yeah. So I take the first bus. Oh, and then my boyfriend at the time did know all of them something I call him didn't know. Yeah, him didn't know say Ray. So but when me got Negril now, I never really did to tell him say the man me I got Negril to me just said I got Negril. Cause I don't know where go man carry them only for something for me, girl. Me I tell you, shoes and clothes. How did them look nasty something in my video? Shoes and clothes and pay things. Me I tell you, phone. Yeah, me did get all phone, but I like the phone the man carry for me. Me never like it. The man did tell me for your idiot car. Him carry one of them phone there with a Microsoft phone. Me not like them phone there. Them phone not nice at all. So yeah, one of them Microsoft phone and the carry come give me. Never told of it, so me never did have it long. Me did give it to you, I think. I did my show. Me never remember how it did go, but anyways. Wow. You can't tap in eyes. Shut up, man. Don't look on this across and me a chat to him and him a come out like him and argue with me. Take this. Take this. I don't know who you argue with. Don't you have shit. How you have me after? Come suck out my battery about me. Anyways. Look on him. Come out to the people like him want come argue with him thinking bright self. Anyways, back to the story. So, it's like the man now come down, you know. And anyways, when me in a bus I go in the grill, me da sleep because I feel good. But then me want to vomit, so I tell the driver say I want to vomit, and the driver did stop the bus and me go vomit. Because me say I party, but all along we say I party because my friend did feel some type of way too, but she never pregnant and me one day pregnant. But me never did know say I pregnant, me pregnant while me that behave. So Lord Jesus, Papa. Yeah guys, taxi stop on my foot because I couldn't take it because me I do the vlog. And them have music in them car. So I'm tell you know what happened now. I go so boom and I start vomit up and stuff. So anyways, we reach a nigga now and the man meet we up on something. We meet up with the man and so me and my friend and the man say he might go bring we go buy with something to eat. Cause you know so we are drive long and so. So anyways, me go get the food. When I get the food, I couldn't eat the food because my stomach still feels sick. Like I don't know what happened, but my stomach feels sick. So it's like we go over the house. When we go over the house, his brother was there. Cause I'm brother place. So when we go over the house now, his brother did there and brother place. Him have orange juice and apple juice and one whole heap of natural juice and so him having in the fridge. So he tell me say when you have to drink, me tell him say give me some apple juice because I like apple juice bad. So then give me the apple juice now people. I drink the apple juice and I still have vomit up, I don't know what I want. So I tell him something don't feel good. But the man don't feel like say it's a me do it on purpose. The man feel like I get sick on purpose because I never really want to link with him and so, but it wasn't like that people. That was not the case. The case was I'm pregnant and never know I'm pregnant. So it's like my friend know the out in the hall and me and the man in the room and we a chat. So it's like the man give me them time my baby father never know say me pregnant either because me never know I'm pregnant. So the man I show me the things I'm going to buy for me. So we only stay one day down there. We did stay more than one day. But because I did pregnant, I did miserable, I did an edge and we could agree. From a go down there, me and the man start cut. It's like the man sit my stomach and I never know why. And not under the man good, the man look good at everything. But the man just did sick my stomach. And it's like, and I know him person, I like him attitude, the way I go on the things and way I say like I'm me like you know me like I prank him or something. Yeah. That did piss me off and I never like it. So people, me and the man didn't know and it's like the man that give me the things and when carry for me. So me all start cussing about the phone because I'm so can I eat that phone this guy come give me. Not even want Samsung or Samsung better than this. I don't want this, I don't like it. So it's like the man that say ungrateful and this and that. Hey. One piece of lad people me have to tell this that is story upon another story time. But long story short, when the man carry me up back now, the man they give me some money. It wasn't enough, but I think he give me like 300 US dollars to come back up with. And tell me say, be not gonna come see me after me get better and so. Can't give me money for go to doctor because I never feel good and I think I don't feel so wonderful. So the man give me the money for go to doctor and something. Music in my car? No music in there, that's true. Alright, thank God. Alright, I don't want it on though. Hi. Because I'm doing a video so I don't want it on. So anyways guys, as I say, in a taxi now as you can see, I go to the town. What I say now is like the guy thinks me that tell him like about the whole pregnancy thing. That I'm not gonna go so but I never know I'm pregnant so I never tell him that I am. So it's like I'm gonna go now and I on my way. I come back up now because I get the things that we go for. And we never agree, so we decide say we're gonna just be friends from the day so. So it's like on my way I come back to Mandeville now and I start vomit again, I start puke on the place. And I wonder what's wrong with me. So it's like when I come out for the bus I go spot now, my friends say, yo, take a pregnancy test because something wrong with you. You can't have me from the place because she asked me if me and my partner got unprotected. And I say, yeah, all the while when I use them thing them. So she say, girl, let's say I breathe. I said, I'm not pregnant. So I'm going to boom bam now and my friend and me go by the test. Somebody test people. The big Oliver two tick them stand up so. Yeah, 2 big Oliver sticky stand up just brawling and looking at my face. And that is how me find out somebody pregnant, huh? Oh, now I get white. Stop. That is how I realized somebody pregnant with my first daughter, guys. I never know I'm pregnant until we did have to take like a long drive. And the drive did cost it because you know say some people when them drive long, when them in a taxi or bus or whatever, private car, whatever it is, once you're driving you have disorders like vomiting and you feel bad, blackout, spell and them something there. So and that did trigger it off me. Me know say me the pregnant. Whenever they go on that trip there, more do know say but I breathe. So that's how I found out I was pregnant with my first daughter and I was 18 years old. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like, share, comment, give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share it and on no say me love on no bad.